Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix an Roblox issue. So the face tracking of Roblox is not showing up. So we're gonna fix this, and if you're also having the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. First of all, make sure that you must have a stable internet connection. Secondly, give required camera and microphone permission. Now clear cache data. If you are using mobile application of Roblox, then you can easily clear cache by going to settings. If you are using Roblox in browser, open settings of your browser, click on this option, and from there you can easily clear cache data. Also make sure to give camera input permission to Roblox, and for that open settings of Roblox, go to privacy setting, and here you will see an option of camera input. Make sure to enable this option. Also check for the updates if you are using Roblox application, and if you are using browser version, then try using another browsers. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.